panahon walang pagkukasyon at walang lalo na sa kabataan na napakasal mo medyo pupurma tayo, kinukuna tayo. Isa sa pelikula ito sa Pilipinas. Mga 50 minutes. Kumuha mo ako lagi pala daw. Leka mami, ayun si tawag ginagdaan. Ano gawin niyo ako daw? Bawal sa atin ang baboy. Ano sabi mo kain? Andiyan ka.
Yes.
Diretso ba yan?
Oo.
Baka tatawagin mo muna mo, ha?
Sabi ka namin muna natin.
Pero para hindi daw basically. Wala magdala rito. Number 1, San Francisco.
What?
Number 1.
49ers. Four o'clock, I think.
What?
One picture.
Eh, wala namang awards ka eh. Gano ba? Celebration. Kailangan, ano? Celebration. May number kayong bago, ha? Ano din lagi sila? Oo, naglabas na naman kayo ng bagong. Mga kumakain ng bagong eh, medyo... San Francisco, number 1.
Naubusan tayo ng cup. Birthday cup. Hold on to your cup. Karusan.
Go to the beach? Alam mo, dumiretso na kami, no? Sige mo, mga dala ng kapatid. Boto, tapos donut. Ay, sino makapunta rito?
Ano makakapunta? Ay, wala nang...
Nakakain mo naman yung mga tao. Manong, luto na Manong?
Ay!
Ano yan? Talo.
Ang laki naman talong yan. Akin po to akin.
Away. Manong, nililigawan na naman yung ano.
View ba?
Bale, basta mamaya may trip siya na ice cream, talo siya sa pustahan. Delikado yun, delikado ha?
Ano yun eh?
Huwag kayong gaano kakain, darating pa lechon. Ayun. Oh, dalawa.
Ito kaya yun?
Oh, totoo. Order yun, red order. Nandun ako na yung order.
Dito. Ayan, luto yan.
Yung pa?
Ito nga ha.
Oo pa na?
Sino kasama niya?
Nandiyan si nanay mo? Hindi na cooker natin ha. Munit! San Francisco, number 1.
Number 1, San Francisco.
And District G, number 1.
Muna.
Wala ka iniihap na natin.
Kamusta?
Sabi niya.
Ay, dito. May isa.
Piso ka na. Sabi mo ba? Palibasa, nagkamali sila nung nung ina-announce yung best district. Yung tinanong nila, Bisaya. Sabi nila, District G. Ang ibig niya pala sabihin, District J. J pala ibig niya sabihin.
lumistikan pa. May mistake kayo gawin, no?
Saan ang baboy?
Kunti lang.
Manong pinamigay mo na naman yung baboy ko.
Okay.
Dalawang baboy.
Ano yun?
Di pa ka mga
Walang problema. Diba?
Ang barbecue.
Ito yelo, ha? Ano natin?
Anong sabaw natin?
Eh, sinigang ngayon.
Ayun, sinigang. My favorite. Naka-ready. I'm sure.
Sige, iwanan niyo sa bahay.
Si Ariel.
Ito pa rin? Tumatok ka. Ayan. Ang bigat mo, ay galit.
Bundok naman, ha?
Bundok naman.
Napakahaba rin ito eh.
Kaya grado to sa uli nag-iingay. Video eh. Akala mo na interview eh. Diretso tayo sa camera.
Watch out!
Over the top? Yep.
Dino.
Wait for it.
Yakala na pera.
Pose. Ayaw, Helen. Ayaw ah.
Ganito mo.
Alin? Ta?
Baka nakasara daw. Ano, dito lang ba tayo? Yo boy, alis na kami ha. Benta kami.
Nakataas eh.
to pull you guys?
Nakataas. Ta? Oo, nakataas.
Strip na. Nakapos lagi siya.
Doon kayo. We'll meet you guys down there.
Hey. Bye.
Aha.
Recording, man.
Hey, let me drive, man. Yo, smile! Hilahin namin kayo.
Last ko yan. Last sila, babae eh. Dali po, konti pa. Para konti pa.
Hindi na patakbo yan.
Konti pa, man. Yo boy, di ko makita ang mukha mo. Hindi dark sila. Hindi makita lahat eh. Teka lang.
Kino-close up mo ko eh.
Oh,
Alila!
okay, tagyan. Yan Joel. Si Bulldog, ay, dito pa na.
Angelito, go for that.
Tulak na lang natin sila. That's why I'm going around, man. Ako nga hawak. Kuya, mahirap. Kaya tayo, kanina dyan.
Go.
Go na. Tika na lang.
Ayan. Helen, oh.
Uy, bitaw mo, baka Ngite. Liko tayo doon. Liko. The cameraman, Alfredo, the best.
Ayun, ay tali mo kay Lalis. Ako. Ikaw tali mo kay Lalis. Kain na agad.
Gawin niyo ulit yung kalenda.
Gawin mo na ulit. Gawin, ayan.
Magkasaling langaw.
Nawala na ba yung ano? Masana? Ayun. Ay, kirain na. Nasaan ang masana? O, ito yung nanay mo.
Bakit na yung masala sa'yo, no?
Kuha mo nga nito.
Yana.
Ganun ba? Maisasa ng baka mawala ang mga tao.
Hindi, nawala.
Pakibuhol na lang.
In gold.
Ito, mga...
Yung mga bagong dating.
Ayaw, kuya.
Kirsty's here. Hey, what you keep for company?
Ayaw.
Where? Sino?
Naibuhol na ka dyan.
Nabuhol na.
Iwanan ko na.
Wala yan, di mo.
Rale!
Hindi sumaho.
Hi!
Yes.
Sabi mo, adi na kami sa Sampaw
Ikaw na, oh.
Hi!
Angel!
Ano sa dito tinawag ko?
Ando, nasa boat eh.
Ha?
Nasa boat.
Parang ko nakakaliyo. Ano, mahina lang ang galaw parang
Hi!
mahina lang ang ano mo. Mahina lang ang
Hindi nakitap. Hindi nakitap.
Bakit sa?
ayun, meron.
Ay, bandayan ninyo. Tatlong. Teka, magkapatid. Kape!
Nakuha na ba yun?
Unang siya. Ayan.
Ayan, yung ihaw. Dahan-dahan lang ikot. Ano sa makuha to? Dahan-dahan lang.
Kaya nyo, bakit kayo lang kinukunan nyo? Gagandahan mo, ako yan.
Hello!
Hindi mo lalakad?
Ayan, saan na ba niyo?
Ano kay lahat yan?
Green pula.
Hindi, green.
O eh, Filipino ba tayo?
Dito niya. Nay, green ba, Nay? Green?
Ikaw talaga, saan ka
green.
green? Saan na ba green? Saan ko nakita green?
Sa taas.
Eh, green dito eh. Itaas-taas mo sa bewang ko. Teka. Teka muna, aray ko.
Kung green
Tingnan mo.
na andar, kung hindi.
Halikatin mo na andar ba?
Ha?
Halikatin mo kung na andar. Tingnan mo kung na andar. Oh.
Oo, naandar. Pindutin nyo yun eh, kung wala ng green, hindi naandar.
Teka.
Kumain ko si Kayan din naman ito.
Ano ka? Ayan.
Kape artista, di yung kukunan? Kape artista yung kukunan.
Hindi ko makita eh. Ayan.
Ganyan ako. Pupost ka.
Sige, patingin mo
Okay,
dito.
look, who's that?
Ayan.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Okay, daddy naman, daddy. Extra ka naman eh.
Baka kay Mada pa, eh lalong nasira ito. Bigyan niyo naman ako ng lechon.
Oo. Yung camera lady.
Sabi siya. Nalarap.
Hindi naman umaandar eh.
Naandar.
Loko yun. Sabi siya, mabigyan ng lechon na.
Si Kati yun, di ko makita mukha. Malabo yata mata ko.
Oh, malabo na rin ho tayo.
Ayan, baka kayo madapa eh.
Bakit tinitipid kayo kadome?
Kadome, sana ng pogi.
Ito ko.
Sana hindi ko makita. Ayan. Baka pagkano, hindi yari.
Hindi yari.
Baka sira eh. Hindi na. Dahan-dahan nga to. Iikot naman ako eh. Naikot. Wala, bakit? Napaano na naman?
Nahanap ko man.
Naandar ba? Hindi, no?
Hindi ko alam kung
Yung hindi.
maganon.
Naandar?
Oo. Kaya, maandar.
Saan kayo naroon ngayon? Kalinda?
Bahala kayo. Saan nyo na? Hanapin nyo.
Sabi niyo, nasa kayo ngayon? San Pablo Dam.
Nandito. San Pablo, Laguna. Nasa PI.
Parang nasa Sampalo ko eh.
Tandaan daw. Magalaw.
Nakakaliwa pa loob niya pagka magalaw ka.
Ando na mga magagandang lalaki ah. Doon. Bangos. Kasi nga maliit ang ano eh.
Kalinda, naandar ba to?
Aha. Hindi ba pubuti na may isa?
Linis ang konti sa lamin ko. Ayan, may bigyo tayo. Ano lang yan? Puro walang lechon niya, walang bawal dyan.
Tama yun. Tama yun, bawal yun.
Nakikita ba itong kabisig? Kabisig, nakikita ba itong iyaw na ito? Kita ba? Kita? Hindi ako naglalaro.
Ay, Alvin, nakisat ba? Nakisat? Nagtatangatin na ko, ano yung dala mo? Sikapin naman sa kamay ko inilagay. Ay, kami naman, mother. Tingnan mo, oh. Kabising.
Oh, bakit ito? Bakunan nyo to. Ito.
Yeah.
Halika na, dali! Ang inis ka na!
No. How about an introduction, Praise?
Bernadette.
Oh, hi, Bernadette. Hi, Barbie.
Ay, anak ko muna. O, sige. Ayaw ko. Ayaw ko sa mata, ha? Bukas. Anak ko, pasensya ka na sa anak ko. Oh. Ay, nako.
Where's Jason?
He went fishing. Told you, you can see him.
The Pointer Sisters.
Like that?
Hi, Eliza. Talk to me. Bernadette and Tracy and Barb. Call your mom. Trace. 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 Call your mom. Call your mom. Your mom. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Hindi ho na yan.
Palang green na yun, eh. Hindi ko na pala na. Oh.
Kaya na kayo.
Ha?
Kaya pa kuhan.
Wait, ikaw naman. Balik ka na.
Sa corona saan?
Oo.
Mag-iwan ka ng mga 20. Tapos gagamitin mo yung motor. Pag nakadalawang oras ka dito na ilang mga gagawin sa'yo. Ano ba tingpa iba, no? No.
Ay, katulad ng nagbibiyak seedless, walang buto, walang laman. Naksi! Akala ko si Camille ang ng bibiyak.
Lumutan niyo, oh.
Hindi, nilagay ko yun doon. Isa ang daya, isa ka. Inano niya, sinisit.
Hi, Eliza.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Motorboat. You guys want to ride a motorboat or? Oh, wow. Liza. Liza. Okay, over there. Where's Jason?
Over there, all the way down there.
All the way down there? Where is he? Guys, you guys are not enjoying. Make it lively. I mean, the video. I mean, say hi. Great. Barbie. Let me light a match. Let me see if it's gas. I could do it.
Look what you did.
Go, record. Go to record. You see a green button? See that green button? That means it's recording, alright? Make sure you do it steady, alright? I'll take a picture of you.
What about if I stop recording it and
It's like a
still
pause.
green?
It's a pause.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Here, I'll give you the battery. You can just put it on, put it down or something.
Barbie, look.
Green. When you press the button, it turns green. You don't have to go to the button.
Oh, okay.
But if it's not green, it's not recording. Now it's recording. You want to race? Let's race. We're going to Jason over there. See? Liza. See over there. Yeah. That way. Now go straight. Straight. Yeah, there you go. Liza. Look, your Ate is driving. Ate is driving. He's gonna take you to Jason. Over there, over there. No, the other way. I gotta wait.
No, I said you're my co-pilot. Over there. And our pilot go. Hey, watch it for a light. Okay, drive carefully. Woo, I like that cool wind. Okay, I'll cover you. Barbie trying to row back home.
In the water, not in the air.
Barbie hates it in San Francisco. She's trying to row back to Hawaii.
To look for some fishes.
Wow, look how powerful the strokes are.
Yeah.
We should, what do we call it? We should win the World Cup or something.
Yeah, come on, Barbie, let's go. Oh, you boat gently down the sea.
Merrily, merrily.
Life is but a dream. Go! Row, row, row your boat
Row,
gently down
row
the
your
stream.
boat.
Row your boat gently down the stream. I think the best.
Look at the batteries here.
Yeah. I want to use no more time.
We're stuck here. Hey, don't pull the string or else we're stuck here. Oh no. Liza can do it. Go there, Liza.
Oh, how are you doing it? You pull it with
I'll do it.
What about if it's just something that
No, don't do it.
one of them boats gonna crash into us?
Yeah, faster. There you go. Faster. There, you hear the motor? Is that car there? Hey, we're stuck. That's kidding. No, this is embarrassing. We're not stuck.
Nasaan ang phone natin? Ay, kayo Bobby talaga. Sabi, oh.
Mating.
Wala kayo nakapagahan.
Oh, Francis! One! Kung ka mga tatlo. Oh, what? Hindi. One, two. Hindi. Meron. Meron ba? Oh, one, two. Ano na? Camcorder ba yan? Sino ka? Sino ka? Okay. Ayos. Let's go. okay. I'm a bit drunk.
Yung bata pa.
Carlos! Dito naman, sinetek mo ba kami?
Oh, Masinubiyahe ka na rito.
Galing mga matika.
Kailangan natin, no? Diretso ka eh.
Unang mo naman yung nag-iiyak.
Hey, everybody say hi. Kanto ka, no?
San Pablo, ano?
Solo.
Isa ay matulog. Aloy, pagka ako nagdaganan dito, ha? Huwag na. O, huwag mo na hawakan.
Pag na maganda sa mata ko.
Nasawa ka naman na sila? Nasawa ka naman na sila?
No.
Ha? Hindi ba nasawa ka na rin, ha?
Harap ka naman. Ano kung ginagawa mo? Ayan.
Solo.
Ito kami.
Smile. Yeah.
Nahulog yung...
Where's Eliza? Eliza! Hello! Nagtatagalog mo yan? Yan? Sino sabi? Talk Tagalog. Say hi! Eliza! Say hi to Jason. Jason. Say hi to Tracy. Diyan ko, friends? Oh, they're over there. And the left side.
Projector.
Yan. come on, Junior. Jungkook.
Sila dumagete rin. Mga kasama namin.
Anak niya? Anak niya, Kailin. Nag-course.
The good, the bad, and the ugly.
Wala pa nga eh. Oh, nandun naman yung bola.
Where's Helen? Where's Helen? She's over there.
Oh, that's not so hard. Bang, galing. Natapal.
Angel. What? What kind of rap is this? Mark Bradford?
Welcome to Santa. Say something.
Say something.
Come on, say something. Welcome to Hawaii. Kaya nga ba ng baboy yan? Don't speak.
Hey, this is last one. Take a picture with me now. Face the camera.
Okay. Billy po naman siya.
Let the uncle eat up.
Sure. Hold on. Oh, you got it.
Okay. I think he's gonna come back though. Are you looking at his butt?
I'll have the guy with John John.
You know that guy? Can you go up to him and ask his name for us and his number? Kevin what?
Kevin Rose.
Lie. I can't go now. What are you doing here? Look at this. I got him in close up already. Wait, go look at his girlfriend. Ew, fuck his girlfriend. No, she must be something. Come on, let me see that out. There you go. What did it go crazy?
Liza, smile. Liza.
There he is. There he is. Yep. Take his butt. I'm gonna go in. There. You can use his butt. You're gonna see it. There you go. Come on. Let's see if it's adopted. Yeah. You getting it? Oh yeah. Oh. Where? Come on, hit that bad. Good. Oh.
I'm trying to take a picture of this girl or guy. See, Tracy? She's trying to take a picture of. Let me see. She's trying to take a picture of that guy. Where's Barbie? Oh, there's Barbie over there. Oh, this. There goes Barbie pretending to pose, but they're really taking a picture of the guy in back of her. Oh, let's go bull riding again over there. Take that bull, it's great.
Zombie eater.
Good crap. You know what? You guys look weird. You guys look weird.
Why? What do you mean weird?
I took a picture of you guys taking a picture of that guy.
No, yeah, because she was taking a picture.
Uh-huh. But I told though.
Take a picture of him. Open your mouth.
Go do an advertisement for Pringles. It's not recording now, is it?
It is. This is Pringles, sour cream, and onion potatoes.
Back up, back up.
And,
Okay, come on.
And it tastes good.
And it tastes good.
crunchy too. And it's crunchy.
Come on, be original.
Sour and cream.
Yeah.
Onion.
And it tastes good.
Yeah.
And he can prove it too.
So good.
No.
What's crazy?
Sour cream and onion potatoes is coming to a theater near you.
Remember, it's not even recording. It's Pringles Light.
And it's coming to a theater near you. It's coming to a theater near you. It's coming to a
Hey.
No, it's coming to a grocery. Don't drop
No more pictures. Those are all for kids.
Hello, Tracy. How are you?
Hey, are you not recording? How do you flash?
The top part.
There he is.
Say hi.
Back at you.
What?
Ready.
Where? Hurry up.
There you go.
Look at these two bimbos in front of me.
Back.
Hurry up and take it.
Smile.
I am smiling.
Am I in there? Am I in there?
In where?
The picture?
Yeah? I think so. Hi. Where is he? Who is this Kevin Rose?
Where?
Where? Is your name Kevin Rose? Which one?
Don't tell him. It's a secret.
It's a secret. Where is he? Is he the... Taking a picture. Of who? Okay. The one in the blue and white?
Yeah.
No.
I didn't. Did you hear me?
There you go. You can take it now. Did it not hurt your shoulder?
After Fremont?
Oh yeah, sir. Nice. Wala yun. Unang kayo. What?
Sama anak niya ay Paraga.
Saan?
Ha? Dito?
Interview? Interview? How come there's rumors going on that you will leave us, the edification committee?
That's only a rumor. That's only a rumor.
Well, what do you think about that rumor? Is it true?
No, it's not true.
Huh? Will it be?
Still have a lot of things on my mind for edification. That's right. Weird thing.
Oh yeah. But who do you think is the best replacement for the chairman to replace you? Is it John or Alberto or Rodak?
Nani naman, ini-interview ko siya.
Ini-interview ko.
Or is it Rodak?
Products?
Alberto Rodak or
Oh, wait.
or
Hold on, please. Product ang main, right?
Randy? I mean,
In Janjan and Alberta, they can able to lead them, but the thing is they kind of...
like they can alternate.
Yeah, they can alternate, but the thing they don't like to do it.
So there's a chance that you will be leaving, right? But not.
Not this year.
Kailangan nilagyan ko ng tubig eh.
Week on year end, we're gonna do something.
Kasi yellow
Okay.
ito eh. Baka
And
mamang
then
sila.
forget.
As chairman of the edification committee, what did we accomplish for the edification committee?
We we recruited a lot of junior partners. You know that?
Oh yeah, I know that. I'm one of
The
them.
new junior part members came from education.
Sino ako po, ano to?
And we made I think 10 brothers and sisters tiwalag.
Tiwalag, huh? Come here, Alfred. Alfred. And here's your dad.
It's my dad.
Your dad. You wanted to interview your dad. So interview your dad. Ano pangalan? Over there. Tahu? Sahil. Sahil. Go call him.
Kahil.
Hello.
Oh, parang kaltangan nila na.
Nanghuli pa kayo ng isda doon dahil manok dito.
Here. Ready? Go.
Dito! Maraming sa tinula.
Ready.
Ay, isa.
Okay. A brief. What do you think? What do you think about
Maybe
how will you introduce your edification committee if you want more people to
Tatakot. Napaya.
we're just gonna do the same thing.
join?
Follow up.
Go interview your brother. I have no more questions.
Nah, forget it.
Because has he been a good brother to you? Huh? Okay, has he been a good brother to you?
He's my brother even I don't like him.
No, pero siya, has he been a good brother to you?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Does he respect you like a kuya?
Respect me like a lord.
Wow. Savior? Not kidding.
Nani ko talaga, oh.
No,
Kasi ang extra basta nasa camera ako eh. Ate pa yung ano, napkin.
Ay, naku,
This is my
necklace pala.
sister even I don't like it.
Okay. Did he respect you as your ate?
No.
No.
Yes, I do.
You better be.
Yes, I.
Come on, let's hear some juice.
Dadami lalo ho yan.
Tatay niya talaga eh.
Hindi, yun, sabi ko talaga, sabi mo talaga. Sige, paalam na sa inyo lang.
Bye! Ingat! Ikaw magpaiwan ka!
Boy! Boy!
Hindi na kaya. Para sa inyo po eh.
Kaya ka pa! Kaya ka pa! Ay, sabi ko hindi kaya.
Wala daw. Pagtuloy mo nga tumama. Yun lang sa atin, no?
Mawawalan sa notebook.
That's the highlight.
No, put them in campus. Ano ang lubo mo? Naiya ko na, ikaw talaga eh. Niya mo eh. Kat mo.
Tracy Jose.
I've known her ever since kindergarten.
Kindergartner? And how old were you guys?
We were 5 years old.
5 years old. Wow. And you guys separated?
We separated 2 years ago.
3 years ago, and you were in what? What grade?
6.
How about you, Barbara?
Bernadette.
I'm sorry. I hope you don't get offended. Sorry. Hope you don't get offended. Okay.
I was in what, 9th grade?
First Tracy was what?
She was gonna turn 7th.
17? 7th grade. And you guys moved to Hawaii?
Yeah.
Luther Burbank, right? Yeah, I used to pass by that. But I didn't see you guys though. I guess that was 5 years ago.
Not good. No problem.
What is the problem?
Roads down there. No.
Your fishing pole match your shirt.
Yeah. No, you could have kept this if you went with us on the boat. Yeah. I know, but then you can. I could have asked you to come. You are really. I'm gonna swim that for.
It's okay. It was overloaded anyway. Just kidding. Say hi to your sister.
Hi, Liza. You got dirty face.
Hi, Liza.
I'm thirsty. Can I use just one of you guys' stuff?
Hi, Liza. Hello. Hold on. Yeah, that's the eye. Say, I'm gonna keep taking your picture because you was never here.
See no problem, Angelina.
I'm gonna show this to Mima.
Hey, what are you keeping out of the bottle for? Do that. Wanna eat?
Galing ang posing ng favorite, ha?
Look, come on. Mainit eh. You want some pansit?
Call your mom.
Mom!
Take a picture of you and your mom together. Go over there.
No, no.
Come on.
Money is Carol.
Family picture.
Pasalan. Jason, Liza, come here. Come on.
Liza, go over there. Say hi to Daddy.
Crazy.
Family picture, Praise. Call your brother. Daddy's watching.
Jason! Crazy!
Two, three, smile. Daddy.
Hi, Dad!
Here. There you go.
Bye!
Okay.
Ano na yan?
Mga 1 hour and
Ano? Eh, ito mo naman, oh. Ano? Ayan.
Hello. Hello.
Sabi kasi. Ano? Tinapay? Tito, tito.
Hi.
Hello, Sarace.
Hello, Golden Gate Park.
Ay, Padre San Francisco.
Ano mo siya na?
Nagre-reklamo tungkol sa liskan. Maliit daw. Hindi raw maganda yung nagbantay. Sino ba nagbabantay?
Oh, Bernadette. Farewell to Bernadette. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wait, bye when you go there, okay?
Is it your home video?
Yeah, I have to transfer it, so I'm gonna make a lot of copies.
Better.
Yeah. Bye. You're not gonna come back for the other stuff? I'll see you, Jason. What? What? Hi. Ano pangalan mo? Saan ang nanay? Saan nanay? Sige, magtagalog ka. Pangalan mo, Philip. Ilang taon ka na? Tatlo, di ba? Ilang taon? Tatlo. 4. Tatlo, yeah, tatlo. Ayun, si Kevin. Kevin Rhodes. He's off the road. He's on his way to the road.
Hey, Project Diamond.
Yeah. Project Diamond.
Yeah. Unang pakit yung katawan ko, ikaw naman.
Mami! Yung yelo. Hoy! Huwag na sila, oh. Kaya babay na kayo.
Bye-bye.
Ayun na, Archie. Bye-bye. Talaga.
But I have a Porsche. Now you believe me I have a Porsche? I don't have a Lamborghini, but I have a Porsche.
Naliligo ko ng yelo pagkatay.
I love my Porsche. Look at my Porsche. I really love my Porsche. I love my Porsche. Say hi. What is it? Say hi.
Hi, video!
I love my Porsche.